Hi everyone and welcome to today's fun little tutorial. I am doing a one-page wonder today, so all you're going to need is a square piece of paper and we're going to make this adorable pocket with just these really fun layers, lots of room to be stuffed, and perfect to add into a journal or use as is. So I did one for an Instagram reel, which is the one we're looking at, and I'm going to show you guys how to make this today here on YouTube. Oh yeah, if you aren't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe because we just have a really fantastic time over here and all of the support just means so much and it helps so much. So this is what we're doing today. I'm using a digital kit that I printed at my house. It is called Lost in Florence. Ooh, I sometimes forget. Lost in Florence by Pink Monarch Prints, and it's a fun kit. You can actually become a subscriber to get a monthly kit from them every month, or you can purchase it anytime on their Etsy or on their website. So, without further ado, I'll have everything linked in the description of this video. Can't forget that. But let's just get started. So this is a really quick one, and you can make this with different size squares. I just recommend that you do either lightweight cardstock or even just regular weight copy paper, which is what I'm using today. So I recommend that. You want to find two sides of papers that you think look really good together. This is what I did, and I think this is going to be a really fun paper combo. And I did 8 by 8 inches, or also roughly 20 by 20 centimeters. But again, you can mix up the sizing. This is how big it ends up if you do that size. I think the smallest I've done is either 5 by 5 inches or 6 by 6 inches, and it also works and it's really, really cute. So let's get started. I've already grabbed my ink and I inked my edges already, but it's up to you. So first step is to fold your paper in half. It's that simple. And then fold it in half again. And then from here, you're going to grab just one layer. You have 4 layers now. You're going to grab just one layer and fold it all the way across. Like that. And grab your next paper, your next layer, and fold it across, leaving a gap. Leaving a gap. And you can decide if you want a really big gap or a small gap. I like to do just somewhere in the middle. This looks to be about 1 centimeter gap. Then you're gonna grab your next layer, do the same thing. And you can choose to leave your this back paper if you want to keep your shape a square, or you can grab it and fold it one more time to create yet another little fold. So here's what we have so far. All these colors are really pretty together. And now you're just going to open up that shape that you did, and those little triangles that you made, you're actually going to just cut them off. If you need to ink to make it a little bit more visible, feel free to do that. Always helps me. Okay, I did not cut that one very good, but that's okay. And we can actually save these and use these in other projects, or even use these leftover triangles in today's project as well. So you can set those aside and save them if you would like. All right, from here, any edge that you cut, you want to re-ink. That is, if you ink at all. Okay, so we've created this just kind of interesting shape, huh? But you're going to go ahead and just refold on those same lines, and you end up with this really beautiful pocket. If you want the other paper facing outwards, you'll just open it up and fold the opposite way. Where is that? There we go. And then you have the reverse pocket. So it's up to you what you want to do. I don't know. Let's see. I kind of want the dark paper on the outside. So I'm going to go back to what I had originally. Oops, I folded that one wrong. There we go. Nope. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh, there we go. Guys, I got a little turned around. From here, you can do a lot of different things, but what I'm going to be doing is just gluing it into a standard pocket. I do one line of glue on the bottom. And you're welcome to glue any of your other edges. Doesn't really matter, they stay closed pretty good, but if you want. Okay, so now that we have this gorgeous pocket ready to go, we can embellish it. So these are really simple to make. You can make quite a few of them in one sitting, and they're great to add into journals. For embellishing, I already have inked a few options, so it's going to go quick. And they're really fun. I want to use this cute strawberry charm, so I'm going to try and find a way to incorporate that. Have some tidbits, lots and lots of little tidbits, which are so good to use in journals. More tags. This really pretty fussy cut, which I think matches really good. Some little tags and things of the sort. So on my other pocket that I made, oh dear, where is it? Oh, it's right in front of my eyes. I did add some stamping, and I did use a piece of this leftover paper. I used a little piece of that, and I glued it down just to add some extra layering, and it just makes a fun look. So that is an option. And I think I'll do it just to incorporate more of the cream color. My glue is almost out. I swear I'm saying that every video. It's my own fault though, because I don't refill it. Like, oh, I'm almost out, I need to refill it, and then I just forget. So don't do that. This is your reminder to fill up your glue. Okay, that's cute. I know I want to have this little fussy cut on the front, so it's just a matter of finding out kind of what other little items do I want to add. That looks cute. Cute, cute. Let's do something like that. We might not use this piece. We might tear it or something. I'm not sure. Let's do about right there. And then we can decide if we want the flower hanging off or not. I think for this one we won't have it hanging off. cute. Okay, I think I'm going to move on to the charm. So on this one, I had a fun little, just like extra piece of tidbit paper that I used as like a tab. So I'm going to do something similar. I love this little piece here. I'm thinking we'll try something like that. And then add an eyelet and see if we can get that charm on there. So I'm just going to fold it in half. And we'll see what comes of this. I'm seeing, do I want it higher? I don't, that's probably fine right there. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, I gotta grab an eyelet. Just let me, believe it or not, all my stuff is still on the floor, and so I have to, if I forget something, I have to go over and grab that. Okay, that was not very centered. That's okay. And I don't know what is wrong, but I've not been able to get these clamped very good lately. Maybe it's the eyelet, maybe it's the clamper. I don't know. I have these ginormous jump rings. So I'll add one of those in. And then I've already assembled this little strawberry. Oh, sorry guys, I should silence my phone. There we go. Oh, that's cute, you guys. I love it. I'm in love. So cute. Okay, we can leave it really simple here on the front. We could add more if we wanted. I don't know. Just depends. That's pretty cute. We could do something like that. And then all these really fun items that we could stuff inside. This is one of my favorite ones, so I want that showing. I kind of do want the butterflies peeking out a little bit. So we could do something like that. Okay, camera. Sorry guys, my camera. I'm deciding, I think I like less is more for these specific types of pockets. You can stuff them to the max. There's so many pockets and so much space. But you can also kind of go with a less is more attitude and not do too many. And that's kind of what I'm feeling for this one. I mean, I don't know though. We could try adding a bunch in and just take some out as well. I do have a lot of pieces. A lot of pockets and a lot of pieces. So yeah, you can add a ton in or just a few. I don't know, both look good. Both look pretty good. Oh, I said I was going to silence my phone, huh? Oops. I don't know, very cute, huh? I'm thinking I actually kind of want something else right here. No, I don't. But anyway, I'm going to take those pieces out for now. I can always change it later, but that's kind of my finished one-page wonder. I love it. Here it is, the one-page wonder. So much fun to just stuff them, make them super cute, do different color combinations, everything. It's just a blast. And then, of course, here's my journal for the month. We can zoom out a little bit. My journal for the October kit. Haven't added a single thing in yet. I'm just getting everything ready to go. but essentially now it's ready to be added in. You can just add it in like that, or whatever you prefer. You can secure it straight onto the page. You could put it in a pocket, put it on a belly band, whatever your heart desires. So center it right on the page because they are really fun. It's just great. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want the kit that I used, make sure to check it out. You can become a subscriber to get the kit during this month only, or you can get it anytime throughout the year on Etsy or Pink Monarch Prints site. So I'll have everything linked in the description of this video for you guys. Camera, maybe if we... there we go. I'll have everything linked in the description for you guys to check out, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. You guys are amazing, and we will see you in our next video. Goodbye.